Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve this problem related to the concepts of quadratic relations. We have to find the values of a and c in this given relation y equals ax squared plus 30x plus c if the vertex of the graph is at -5, 3. Now we have to find the values of a and c. Now a here represents the coefficient of the x squared term and c is this number term in this relation. Now the first thing we see here is that this quadratic relation is given to us in standard form. So this is the form that we most commonly come across for quadratic relations. So it's y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Now since we are given the vertex of this graph, we know that we can find the x coordinate of the vertex from the standard form using this formula. X equals minus b over 2a. And in this formula, a and b represent the coefficients of the x square and the x term. So I'll write the general equation of the standard form on the board. So y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. In this formula, x represents the x coordinate of the vertex. Now we are given that the vertex is -5, 3, -5 is the x value and 3 is the y value in the vertex. So in order to find this a value, we can sub in the x value of this vertex point and the b value from this given relation. Now the b here represents the coefficient of the x term, and in this given relation the b value is 30. So in our next step we'll sub in x as -5 and b as 30 to solve for a. Now we have to solve for a by isolating the variable a. So the first step is to cross multiply the denominator. So we get -5 times 2a equals -30. Now we can multiply -5 times 2, which is equal to -10. A equals -30. We can isolate a by dividing both sides by -10 because -10 is being multiplied to a, so we have to do the reverse operation. So the -10's cancel each other out, so we are left with a equals -30 over -10, which is equal to 3. So this should be the final answer for the value of a for this given relation. Now we can sub in this value of a in this given relation to find the value of c. So our relation equation becomes 3x squared plus 30x plus c. Now we have to find the value of c in this equation. So for that we should sub in this given vertex point in this equation to find the value of c. So we'll sub in y as 3 and x as -5. So this is the step we get, and we have to solve this equation to find the value of c. So the first step is to simplify the square. So we know that the square of -5 is equal to +25. And now we have to do 30 times -5, which is equal to -150 plus C. Now in the next step, we can do 3 times 25, which is equal to 75 minus 150 plus C. We can do 75 minus 150, which is equal to -75 plus C. Now we can isolate C on the right side of this equation by adding 75 to both sides. So the 75s on the right side cancel each other. So we get 3 plus 75, which is equal to 78. So that means the value of C is equal to 78. So this should be the final answer for the value of C. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.